Welcome to all. Continue. Exercise question 94. See, some new type of frame. This way. See, simple one. Find axial forces in all members by method of joints. And see, first what they want. You should observe what they want. First by method of joint. Okay. And then later, verify the results for the members AC. I'll show you here now. AC, CD, and DE by method of sections. So, this is second half. So that is once again we are going to our usual trend of in the beginning non-stop method of joint. Then if you remember non-stop method of sections. Then combinations. Okay. Now start solution. I will decide at one question. I will solve in front of you only. And one more thing. When I enter the answer in the directly by calculator, this time for a change, I will tell what I am doing. Okay, start. First step. See, but remember, it is the exercise question. You should remember that one. First step. Calculation of short form. Cal means calculation of support reactions. Okay, I won't waste time here. See, or okay, 1 minute, no problem. See, when you find support reaction, this is a frame. See, this time in the question only they are given pins here. Good. Actually, I only gave. Okay, we'll maintain it. See, this is actually 50 degree. Okay, not to scale. Scale is not important. See, this way. This is hinge. This is roller. Now, see, how is the base? Total base is how much? 9 meter. Okay, 9 meter base. Then height not given. See, this angle given how much? 50 degrees. This angle also given 50 degrees. How is the construction? See, this is A, this is B, this is C. C, two loads are there. How much? 50 kilonewton and 30 kilonewton. Then, how to get these 2 points? Understood. This is 9 meter divided into 3 equal parts. See, A, this is the point. See, 3 equal parts. Then, join to this point and join to this point. Okay, this arrangement. Here there is a load. Here there is a load. How much? 60 and 75. I decided to solve fully this time. Even though exercise question, little information for you. Okay, now mark the reaction. That all I won't tell now. See, I won't, in the beginning I used to write everything. Let normal reaction here. See, RB equal to VB. This, if anybody asks the question why means no answer. Here, vertical reaction PA. This time I will do one thing. See, there is no horizontal reaction here. Vertical reaction, horizontal reaction. See, this horizontal reaction will be due to 30 kilonewton. Since 30 is that side, this time I will decided I will take HA this side. So I will get positive value. In case you take HA this way, negative will come. See, you will get negative. Later, you have to put this way. Okay, now, make a note. When you take moment about A, okay, 1 minute. You take moment here. Okay, sigma m about A equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Minus VB into 9. Minus VB into 9. Then plus, see, this is 9 meter. Means each of them are 3 meters. Understood? Okay, I put here. Understood. 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Total 9 meter. Okay, I put somewhere here 9 meter. Okay, minus VB into 9 plus 60 into 3 plus 75 into 6 plus 50 will come correct exactly midway. So plus 50 into, see, 50 into 3 plus 1.5 or 9 by 2. Directly 9 by 2. Then plus 30 into, 30 into about A, this height required. So do one thing. You mark this height as H somewhere here. Mark this height as H. Okay, B. Little down. Okay, I'll put B later. Space problem. Okay. Mark this height as H. So now it is B here. I can write. These 2 points are D and E. D and E. Okay. So 30 into H equal to 0. Now therefore, you require the H. So to get H, see, how to get H? A is here. See here, angle given, find height. Next question, one exercise I am giving, one more, where height given, find angle. Okay. H, see, A here, C here, C here, and then drop a vertical line here, come here. This is the height H, see, and then this distance is how much? If it is 9, 9 by 2. This angle is 50 degrees. So directly you get the value of H. If somebody will ask, sir, how to get means, what I can tell? Right here, tan 50 equal to H divided by 9 by 2. You get the value of H. Write that one. You should. See, I need not write exercise question. So 4.5, calculator is not on. 4.5 into tan 50. 5.36. 5.3629 meter. Okay, little more accuracy. 29 meter. Okay. With this accuracy, therefore, substitute that H value here. See, this H came. Get the value of VB. VB will come in kilonewton. My correct answer 4.5 into tan 50. 4.5 into tan 50. 5.3629, correct. Now 60 into 3 plus 75 into 6 plus 50 into 4.5 plus 30 into 5.3629 divided by how much? 9. See, reactions, third decimal sufficient. 112.876 plus 112.876 kilonewton. 876 kilonewton is VB. Then sigma V0, now I will not explain, and sigma H0, sigma V0 will give the value of VA for you. Sigma H0 will give HA for you. Will give HA. VA will come. My total 50 plus 60 plus 75 minus 112.876. 72.124 plus 72.124 kilonewton. HA will come plus 30 kilonewton. See, this plus is actually, see, when you do sigma as 0, you take right side positive. Some people get confusion. We are taking right side positive. HA came plus 30. So, is HA right side? No. This right side positive or left side positive or this clockwise positive, this I told thousands of times, or anti-clockwise positive or sigma V0, upward positive, downward positive has nothing to do with the direction for the reaction. Positive sign indicates that what direction you assumed is correct. See, you took HA left side, answer came plus. So this is correct. See, if you take right side by, so therefore later we'll enter left side 30. Suppose you take right side HA. HA will come minus 30. Oh, you took right side, negative side came. So enter mark left side. Okay. Okay. Now, before I go further, something else is there. See, method of joint, this line angle known. You require angle for CD also. See, even for CD member also, see, CD member, you require the angle. For that one, small sketch here, see, small sketch. This is D. This is C. Light line. Okay. This height is H. Already you know it. Actually, height is not required. Okay. You mark this angle. How much? 50. No. You, what 50 degrees? Oh, you are calculating that angle. Sorry. Okay. See, this angle, I will take theta. Then, see, C to D, C, this is D, this is how much? If this is 3 meter, see, midpoint is 3 by 2. Now, you know the height, H already obtained. How much H? 5.3629 meter. You know the height. Therefore, apply tan theta, you get the value of theta. See, tan theta equal to 5.3629 divided by 1.5 shift tan inverse answer. It should come more than 50 degrees. 74.374 degrees. 374 degree is the angle for this member and also for this member. Okay, now it is ready for method of joint. I will do here. See, here I will do it. So now start calculation of axial forces in all members by, see, today I will chart from method of joints. Okay, today I am doing in front of you only. Okay, but I will not explain too much. See, here, this frame here, sufficient space. Okay, I say 72.124. Come this side. VA equal to plus 72 point, how much it is? 72.124 kilonewton. Okay, 1 minute. Let me check the reaction here. See, V, if I take moment about this point, 75 into 3 plus 60 into 6 plus 50 into 4.5 minus 30 into 5.3629 divided by 9. 74.124, correct. Okay, perfectly correct. Okay, see now. This is the pin jointed frame. See, angle is 50 degrees here. Somewhat scale, not exact scale. Okay. Say how much here? That much only I have to go here also. See, how much here? That much only I have to go here. Otherwise, looks very odd. See, this is the frame. Okay, now done. Pin. Okay, now join the base. Divide into 3 equal parts. Join to this member, this joint. Join to this joint. Over. This is A. This is B. This is C. A vertical downward load of 50 kilonewton and a right side load of 30 kilonewton. Here a downward force of load of 60 kilonewton. Here one downward load of 75 kilonewton. And then here roller support. The reaction is upward. We took VB, but now it is, even though red color, now it is black by known value. 112.876 kilonewton is that reaction. And here hinge vertical reaction you took upwards, VA, it came positive. How much? VA 72.124 kilonewton. Black because known value. And HA you took left side. See, we took HA left side and value is 30 kilonewton. Okay, A go that side please. 30 kilonewton. Okay, A go that problem here. See, this kilonewton is giving problem for me. 72.124. VA will come plus 72.124 kilonewton. Okay. Now correct. Okay. This HA left side is 30 kilonewton. This is the point A. If I write A, then member force problem will come. This is A. Okay. A. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. Okay. Then this angle is given there 50 degrees. This angle also given as 50 degrees. This angle and this angles are, see, if I write the angle, no space there, I will put theta, theta. You remember, this is the star sketch. This is the star sketch for method of joint. Remember that theta equal to 74.374 degrees. I put here that theta equal to 74.374 degrees. Now 1 minute now. I have to break the recording because of mic problem. By chance, if any mic problem is there, I do not, suppose I continue. Later, if mic problem is there, problem. So, I will break and start immediately. Now, correctly find. See, I told already, it is an exercise question. You have to solve. But still, when I am solving directly by calculator, I will tell what I am doing. 72.124 divided by sin 50, I will get this answer. That's all. Y means I already told long back. 72.124 divided by sin 50. 94.151. All values are in kilonewton. 94. What is this one? 94.151 kilonewton here. And then into cos 50 will give you this 60 point something. I will add 30 more. That side. It will come 90.519. See, space is not there. I write here 90.519. I am pronouncing it 519. Okay. I am here pronouncing it. You can make out 90.519. Next, I will go to this joint. Any joint I can go. 112.876 divided by sin 50. 147.349. 147.349 kilonewton here. Then into cos 50. 94.714. 94.714. Now I will come to this joint D. If I come to G, 60 divided by sine of theta 74.374 is 62.303. This force, this way. See, this way. Where right? I write here 62.303. 303. I think I am pronouncing it. You can make out 303. Okay. Then into cos of 74.374 will give a component right side of 16 point something. I will subtract from 90.519. I will get 73.737. 73 point. I should have written a little bigger sketch. Okay. Exercise question. 737. Okay. Now I will come to E. If I come to E, 75 divided by sine 74.374 is 77.878. 77.878 is this answer. Yes, everything over. I will apply horizontal check now into cos of 74.374. I will add to that one 73.737. I am getting 94.714. Perfectly correct. I will come to check here. C, equilibrium of C. That is 94.151 plus 147.349. For those two into sin 50, I am getting some answer. Subtract 62.303 and also 77.878. That one into sine of 74.374. I am getting 50 kilonewton. 50.02 came. That's okay. 50. I will check for horizontal equilibrium. Okay. This is right. See, this is left. This is right. This is left. This right. This right. Those two rights are 94.151 into cos. Okay, I'll do rightly cos 50. Then minus 62.303 into cos 74.374 plus 77.878 into cos of 74.374, then minus, oh, I have not put the bracket closed. Oh, problem. See, 62.303 into cos of how much? 50, not 50. No, it's right here. 94. See, when you put a cos, you have to close the bracket. I remember always 94.151 into cos 50, answer minus 6 or equal button 0.303 into cos 74.374 equal to plus 77.878 into cos of 74.374, answer minus 147.349 into cos of 50. I am getting 29.999 minus, then minus. Minus. How possible? How it is minus? If it is minus, not possible. Because if it is minus, plus 30, 30 is right side. I was seeing here that answer plus 30, I don't know what happened to me. Plus 30 equal to point not. Okay, done. Perfectly correct. Okay. This will complete the question as per our first part to check the result, which is method of joint. Okay, now second part. See, second part of the question. Second part of the question. To check the result. Last time I told verify. Today check. Okay, language problem. To check the results for members. See, this all I am explaining why. So that even though exercise question, sometime I explain. So that beneficial for you. This is for members, which one? AC, comma, CD, and DE. And DE by method of sections. Method of sections. This is the second part. Verify it here. Okay. This is the second part. Method of sections they want. Okay, no problem. Any method will do. Method of sections. Okay. Underline what you are doing. Okay. So, first try. Consider section XX, red color, XX, cutting above 3 members. Cutting above 3 members. Above 3 members. See, where your cut is here. This sketch. I told always. This sketch show the cut. Not in this sketch. See, which one? AC. See, AC, this member. Then CD and DE. See, this way cut. XX. Show the cut here. XX. Now decide. Looking left side better or right side better? I think left side better. Next. Any side you can look. Answer will come same. Consider equilibrium of pin jointed plane frame to, see, left of section, left of XX. Okay, you decide why left. Okay, now if you consider left of XX, A is intact. See here, A is intact. Little space problem here. Okay, I can do one thing. I can take this line slightly inside here. Okay, space. Okay, A is intact, D is intact after 3 meter. After 3 meter, D intact. That's all. Only these two joint will come. Okay. This hinge support here there is a vertical reaction VA of, see, we took upward, positive came 72.124 kilonewton. 124 kilonewton. And a horizontal reaction, you took left side, answer came positive, HA equal to 30 kilonewton. And here, there is a vertical downward force of 60 kilonewton. Okay. Then, this distance if you require, it is 3 meter. Okay. Now, see, one member goes this way. One member goes this way at how much angle? 50 degree angle it goes. 50 degrees. From D, one member goes, it is little stiff angle. See, from D stiff angle, it goes this way. It will change of angle. Then one member, see, this is actually 50 degree angle. Be careful. 50 degree, that is 70 degree on. See, you can make out the angle here. See, it will to change it. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, then one more member goes here. This is A, this is D over. Now, your cut is like this. See, This is the cut, XX. Now, for this member, angle is 50 degrees. Okay. This member, space is not there, angle is theta, you will write. Theta is, make a note here. Your theta equal to 74.374 degrees. Okay. Now you have to take the forces here. See, this force T. This is actually 50-degree angle. This is T. This force. These are the forces. Now, space problem. Should I take a little upper side? Okay, no problem. I can write here. I will put a light line here. Okay, later. I can write wherever I want. Okay, now. I told repeatedly class after class. Suppose you make a note. Suppose it is an independent question for method of section, confusion, then what I told you take like this. Like this. Force for AC, force for DC, force for DC, force for DE. I told take like this. If it is independent question, take like this. Okay. Then I also earlier see how many classes are over. If you get positive, direction correct. If you get negative, wrong. Okay, but you write this one. But this question is not independent question. You write here, we already know the answer by method of joints. We are asked to verify whether this force, and this force, these three forces we got are correct or not. Therefore, since you are checking the answer, what result you got, if you take some other way, negative will come, no doubt. See here. See, this force actually is coming to the joint A. See, you are taken going away from joint A. Suppose you take this way, negative sign will come, but looks very odd. Some will tell, you don't believe your own answer. You know the answer. Therefore, I will take the direction as per here. See, A, incoming. Because I know it. See, force for A from here should come like this. I know the answer. And this force here is this way, correct. And this force here from D, it is going away. Oh yes, correct. Now you have to get all positive. No other way. Okay, now first make one thing. Little space problem is there here. I'll do one thing now. I will write this way. Okay, I'll start here now. Sigma m about, okay, this space I want. Take moment about the point where number of unknowns are lesser. Sorry. Oh, by mistake, I don't know what I am telling. Take moment about the point where, that is for method of joint. Take moment about the point where two unknowns are meeting. Okay. Two unknowns are meeting at the point D. You write here. Sigma m about D0. Take clockwise positive. You write YD. You write. I told you. YD. You write. Okay. If I take moment about D, see. PDE into 0. PDC into 0. 60 into 0. Even this 30 also into 0. So only this force and this force will come. So therefore, from here, you require a perpendicular. See, if you want one thing, light line, drop a perpendicular. Light line. Let the perpendicular equal to H. You write here. Drop perpendicular H. Oh, already one H is there. Okay, note one thing. Take H naught. Already one H is there. Take H naught. H naught. Draw perpendicular H naught from D to line of action of PDC. Then see this triangle. Sin 50 equal to, see, then if you see this triangle, you can tell sin 50 equal to how much? H naught divided by 3. Therefore, you get the value of H naught in meter. 1 minute now. I'll check the camera once. I gone too much right side. Okay, done. No problem. Today I thought of doing 2 questions. No, because of this lengthy calculation that I explained, I will curtail at 1 question only. because even some commitment is there for me. 3 divided by 3 into sine 50. 2.2981 meter. 2.2981 meter. Now do one thing. Now if you take sigma m about d0, take now moment about here. See about d minus PAC minus PAC. See this inclined force into perpendicular H0. H0 is already known to you. Then plus 72.124 into 3 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PAC. PAC will come in kilonewton. Write the answer PAC. Whatever comes in kilonewton, it has to come positive. Why? Okay, now, anyway, it is already positive. You can make out there. 72.124 into 3. Answer divided by 2.2981. See, I am not bothered about the answer. 94.153 kilonewton. 94.153 kilonewton. This answer. See, correct answer. 94.151. Is it 152 by chance? 1 inch. 72.519 divided by sine 50 is 72.124 divided by sine 50 is 94.151. Correct. Okay. 153. Point not to error. Okay. This is your PDE. 1 inch. Okay. This is PDE. No problem. PDE. Okay. Now over. Now write one small statement there. See, this I will shift here. VB equal to 112.876 kilometer. VB, you please come this side. Some problems there. I want space here. For some reason, I want space. Okay. You got the answer. Now do one thing. Or, see, I write here. Or, this also I told. Those people who find this construction of perpendicular H0 or confusion, you write here. Those people, so see here perpendicular is very simple. Directly you can make out. But sometimes the perpendicular make somewhere outside, you have to extend the line. Problem will come. So in such cases, what to do is, when you take moment about D, see this into 0, PAC will come. See PAC, you see any point through which PAC passes. Okay, one point A. Through the point A, this force you resolve into a vertical component, see, vertically down and horizontally left side. See here, this is coming this way, vertically down, horizontally left, then vertically sine, horizontally is cos. You write there. In that case, what happens? When you make sigma m about d0, take clockwise positive. See here, this vertical, see, horizontal component into 0. See here, when you take moment about D, this horizontal component into 0, but vertical component down. So it will create anti-clockwise. So minus PAC into sine 50 is the vertical component into 3 and then plus 72.124 also into 3 equal to 0. 100% your answer will come same as what you got here. You check it. 100% guaranteed. Or point not 1 not 2, no problem. See, 72.124 into 3 divided by 3 divided by sine 50. 94.151. Oh, this answer is coming. Okay. That point not 1, point not 2, nothing to worry. Okay, over. Now do one thing. Closing part of the question. We got the value of PAC. Make sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. See. Now PAC known. Unknown is PDC. So plus PDC. Okay. Plus PDC sin theta. Theta is already known for you. See here. Theta is known. Sin theta. Then minus PAC into sine 50, then plus 72.124 minus 60 equal to 0. Now, you already know the value of PAC. Therefore, substitute that PAC here. Therefore, get the value of PDC. PDC will come in kilometer. PAC is, I will take same answer. 94.153 into sine of, where is it? Sine of theta. Theta is 74.374. That is, no, sine 50. 9 PAC is sine 50. Okay, sorry. 94.153 into sine 50. That answer into minus 1. Then plus 72.124 minus 60 divided by sine of how much? 74.374. 62.304 plus 62.304 plus 62.304 kilonewton is the answer. See here, 62.303, 62.304. Okay. Then lastly, make sigma h equal to 0. Take right side positive. Okay, start. Now unknown is PDE. This also is no. See, plus PDE plus PDE plus PDC, PDE, okay, PDE plus PDC cos theta, then minus PAC cos 50, then minus 30 equal to 0. You already know the value of PDC, you know PAC, substitute those two, therefore you get the value of PDE. PDE will come. PDC I got 62.304 into cos of 74.374, that is positive, into minus 1, okay, that is positive, and then minus PAC 94.153 into cos of 50, that answer minus 43, then minus 30, 73.738 plus 73 point, how much I got? 738. See, I solved the question in front of you today. Actually, exercise question, I am not supposed to talk this much. Give question, give this answer, then tell you check by sections, already told. But still, I am not that type. I want as much as possible to help the people. Okay, over. Now, lastly, what statement required? I will dictate the statement here. We are asked to check the forces, axial forces in CA or AC, DC and DE, which we got by method of sections, method of joints. That is, this force and this force we are asked to check. So these three are. Then we took a section there and we consider direction. Whatever we got, see at A, whatever direction we got by method of joint, we consider the same direction. Okay. Then all answer came positive. Means what direction we got by method of joint correct. And value wise, see here, PAC, how much you got? 94.153, 94.151. PDC, 62.304, 62.303, 73.738, 73.737. Means perfectly tallying. See, 0.001, 0.002, 0.003 comes because of rounding off error that nobody can help. So perfectly correct. Therefore, right, what we got by method of joint is 100% correct. Yes, then thumbs up this way. Okay, this will complete this question. Now, what I will do is, okay, I will give one more question, question 94, question 95, where, see here, 30, 50, 60, 75. One more question I will give you where perfect symmetry is there. If symmetry is there, you can solve very easily. So what I will do, I will give the question with the direct answer. This time, this much I will not talk. Okay, I will make ready. Otherwise, only one question means I feel bad. At least two questions. Okay. Exercise question 95. I will see that it remains exercise question. See, find axial forces in all members by method of joints and verify result. Last time, see, these three members. Let me go that side now. Now these three, see, now they want this. See, now they want change it. Every class is not same problem. This member, and this member. Red color is not there, no problem. Okay, I'll use red color only to identify this member, and this member. Okay. Start first. Put the frame. See, total 6 meter means 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter. Height is 3 meter. Last time, see, angle given. See, this angle they cannot give. See, this angle given means this angle they cannot give because it will not tally. See, if you draw one angle here, one more angle, it won't intersect here. That much mathematical knowledge person should be having who is setting the question. Okay, now, right here. First, you as a class, see, I am dictating. Calculation of support reaction. Oh no, no time waste. See, no horizontal load. Only one roller support. We cannot take horizontal reaction. Only support which can offer horizontal reaction is A. Since horizontal load is not there, horizontal reaction at A is 0. So here B and A both will have only vertical reaction. And so therefore, even though one is hinge, one is roller, once you remove the horizontal reaction, both will be vertically upward reaction. So symmetry is there as far as what geometry is concerned. Then see here, 10 center, any load will do. 8 and 8, right here, perfectly symmetrical. So instead of wasting time, directly write here VA, here VB. You write directly without wasting time. Show the calculation somewhere. This all I told you. Vertical reaction at A equal to vertical reaction at B equal to both are considered upward equal to total downward load 10 plus 8 plus 8. Yeah, 10 plus 8 is 8, 20 and 26 kilonewton. So each of them will be 13 kilonewton and 13 kilonewton. See, now 1 minute. By chance, if they give horizontal load here, you know it. I told earlier, symmetry spoiler. Okay, now angle required. See, for AC member, see, light line here. AC, height is 3. This is 6 means base is 6 by 2, 3. Oh, both are equal. Theta 1 will come 45 degrees. In my class, usually 45 degree I don't give because if I give 45, sine and cos both are same. For if 45 degree comes, it is easy for you. Okay, now you want angle for this member. See here. Take vertical line here. This is 6 meter means 2, 2, 2. So this is 1 meter. 1 meter, you check why 1 meter. That much work for you. See, 1 and 3. Theta 2 will come 71. Same angle here also. Okay. Now ready, I will solve. What is there now? 13 divided by sine 45 over 13 divided by sine 45. 18.385. 18.385. This time kilonewton I can write. Space is there. Kilonewton. Why should I check the answer? This also is exactly 13 kilonewton. Y means you don't bother. Then come to joint D. When if you come to joint D, 8 divided by sine of 71.565. 8.4433. 8.433 kilonewton. Kilonewton. Correct? Into cos 71.565 is 2.66. This way, I will subtract it from 13. 10.333 is this force. Okay. Now, that's all. Stop. Right here. Stop. Solve at joint A. You get these members, this member, solve here. Now, make a note. You stop there. By symmetry, see what answer here? Same answer here. How much? 18.385 kilonewton. What answer here? Same answer for this member also. Symmetry is there. 8.433 kilonewton. What answer here? Same answer here also. 13 kilonewton. Now, I will check the vertic equilibrium here. It is 18.385 into 2 into sine 45 minus 8.433 into 2 into sine of 71.565 is exactly 10 kilonewton. Perfectly correct. Okay. Horizontal already balanced there. Now, this is the answer. Over. Now, second part. To check the results for, see, last time this side, now this side. Okay. These three members. See now. Now, show the cut here. This sketch, anywhere you show cut, see, show the cut here. So, now B intact, E intact. B intact and E intact. Intact means will remain there only. This is your E. I put a little bit more space is there. Okay, no problem. This is your E, where force is 8 kilonewton. And this is your B, where vertical reaction of VB equal to, you know the answer, 13 kilonewton. This distance, if you want, it is 2 meter. Okay, then we are cutting, see, where you are cutting? You are cutting here. See, light line here also. Now, this force is this way. So, one here at a 45 degree angle, one member. Here, it is steep angle, another member. One member goes this way, cut. See, how you cut here? Show the same cut here. Okay. Then up to here, black color, then red color. See, this force coming to the joint B is this way. So, you know the answer. Force BC is, you know, it is coming here. BC. You know the answer. This is going away from the joint. Since you are checking the answer, take same thing. P for EC. This is here going away from the joint. Okay. Whatever answer you got, same thing. P ED. For this member, angle is 45 degrees. For this one, 71.565. See correctly what I am doing now. Okay. Take moment about, this is the point, which one? This is E. Two unknowns are meeting here. So, take moment about E. Take clockwise positive. See now. I will dictate. PBC into 2, sorry, PBC inclined force. From here, drop a perpendicular, H. So, that it be H. So, sine 45 equal to H divided by 2, get the value of H. Okay, then your PBC into 2, then see, PBC into 2, sorry, PBC not 2, PBC into H minus 13 into 3, 2 equal to 0, you get the value of PBC. Or, if you are afraid of those things, suppose someone will tell, sir, we don't want that one. Okay, no problem. See, this is actually slightly dislocated. Okay, same. Okay, now correct. Okay, now, or, see here, this force PBC, one point you require. See, if I extend, passes here. So here, it has got vertically downward component, horizontally right component. This is sine, this is cos. Then the moment means cos into 0 plus PBC sine 45 into 2 minus 13 into 2 equal to 0. Whatever you do, your PBC will come. I will calculate. 18.385. plus 18.385 kilonewton. Okay. See, I got the answer. Then sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. PBC already known for you. Okay, then plus PEC minus PBC sin 40, sorry, plus PEC sin 71.565 minus PBC sin 45 minus 8 plus 13 0. PBC already known, you will get the value of PEC plus 8.433 kilometer. Some wondering, sir, cheating. What cheating? I will get the answer. Why should I tell cheating? I am teaching, not cheating. But people will laugh. Sir is not doing it. In the offline class, someone asked some newcomer. Actually, what happened is he asked his neighbor, hey, how fast that he is not seeing anything. How he is doing? Then someone told, see there, sir knows the answer. He is pretending as if he is doing calculation. He got confidence in him. And luckily, we also got confidence in him. Therefore, he is pretending as if he is calculating, unnecessarily spoiling the calculator. See, this will spoil the calculator. Then lastly, sigma h equal to 0. You do it. Take right side positive. See, now this also known. Minus PED minus this cos plus this force into cos. That's all equal to 0. You get the value of PED. I will be very fast now. PED plus 10.333 kilowatt. 10.333 kilowatt. Okay. Now write a statement here. All came positive, perfectly correct, and value see here 18.385. Yes. 8.433. Yes. 10.333. Yes. 3 yes. Perfectly yes. Tallying. Okay. Now I'll wind up the class. Next class I'll continue. More questions are there. But still remember, we are approaching the end. I think 95. Another 20 questions I will do most probably. Number of questions will cross around 110, 115 or 120. One fine day, maybe within 1 week or 10 days, I will tell sufficient now. Now I have given enough questions. Nobody in the world would have done so many questions. I am sure about it. Okay, if someone will do, I will appreciate. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.